Okay, today we are updating the grapevine trellis. This thing is pretty horrible, but I'm a believer in working with what you got. I asked my dear husband to help saw some things for me. And we have one wooden one in, and the second one we're getting ready to put in now. So I just want to kind of stabilize this a little bit better today with what we got going there. Okay, so the plan with these 4x4s will be to stabilize the new trellis, replacing first these two white poles. One is actually going to probably end up on the cement itself. That's kind of thinking where it's going to end up. I didn't want it to be there, but it would be too off, I think. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing anyway, so. But yeah, so we're gonna cut that down and get this spread off, and then possibly on top there, get like a nice 4x4 trellis topper going there, all with reused old wood from that crappy shed that I had to get rid of for some more gardening adventures. We got this partial trellis build going on here. It's really high. I'm sort of doing this on the fly. I have no plans. I have no idea how I'm going to finish it, but I like the wood already better than those cheap poles that I use. But like I said, I use what I have. That's what I like to do. Okay guys, so I'm in zone 8A, and supposedly roses have no problem transplanting here. So I know it looks a little sad because I've kind of had it sitting in water for probably a couple weeks now. But I do have the appropriate soil for this climbing rose. And the hope is we'll get big and lush, just like this climbing rose bush, because this is from this bush. How beautiful is this? Okay, I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but supposedly it does. It takes a couple weeks for it to root, so just as long as I don't really move it too much, I think it'll be fine as the wind is blowing it as I speak. But it is alive inside the brown stick, so you can't tell. It does look dead, but I'll show you. See how this grapevine looks dead, but it's not, and it has the green buds already coming up. But yeah, it looks like it's pretty dead, and then boom, there's some buds right there. So to see some buds, get some clarity on that picture a little bit. No? Okay. Then I will turn back the other one. And here is our, that is a thriving chamomile plant clearly. And this one, I hope it makes it, but I don't know if it will. Looks so sad. Looks so sad. They're all wilted. And then hopefully this works too. All right, moving on. Trellis is constructed. Now we are going to add some gap filler in the wood, because there are a lot of them, because I am not a professional trellis builder.